YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a surprise unboxing. I didn't know my son cupped this. This is the Supreme collaborate with the Gore-Tex beanie, aquatic cupped beanie with the waterproof, breathable Gore-Tex insert, embroidery logo on front, and logo label patch on back. It was dropped on November 23rd, 2018, which is for on the Black Friday. And this is for week number 14. So let's go ahead and get this open up. So like always, you come with the shopping bag. Oh, so he got two other stickers or decals as well that I just did the unboxing for the camp cap. Nice. So as you can see, the sticker is much lighter than the latest shopping bag. Somehow they mixed the color around or something. It got so dark. So in case you guys want to do some legit check, you guys could check out this bag. But somehow this bag, it is different from previous Supreme products. And this is the main thing that you need to look for when you want to buy from a reseller. Make sure they have this description of the product plus a barcode, and then the color, and then the fall, winter, or spring, summer 18 or whatever. Let me zoom in real quick for you guys to check it out. And always have this OS. So this time around, the plastic bag does not have any hole that got punched. And this is Supreme box logo right there. So let's go ahead and open this up. So on the front, you got a Gore-Tex embroidery hit right here. And then on the back, you got the Supreme box logo label hit. And this is what it look like inside, and you should look for that Supreme label. And it says 100% acrylic, Supreme New York. Care instruction. Hand wash cold, do not bleach. Dry flat, do not iron. Made in China. And then there is your RN number 101837. Let's flip it. It's 100%, I guess, acrylic in Japanese. Zhongguochuang, made in China. Alrighty then, let's check out this label real quick. And this is the top view on the top. It's almost like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like a hexagon right here on the top. And then let's go ahead and check out this tag. You should get this tag, guaranteed to keep you dry, Gore-Tex products, accessories. And this tag should be like a flat finish, not shiny or whatever. Let me zoom in real quick. In case you guys want to do the legit check. And please check out all the font and everything. It is very legible. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, and drop in the comments on below. See if you guys have anything on the Black Friday drop. This was the most hype item, and I was kind of shocked that my son got this. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.